firing. Pagsabog ng bala, automatic nagre-recoil guys sa explosion. Recoil, unlocking, automatic, unlocking, pag-atras, pagkuha ng balang, pag-atras na lang, extracting, yes, extracting doon sa T-slot. Ang T-slot ang mag-extract ng empty cartridge. Pagkuha ng bagong bala ni extractor,
Eject na.
sorry, bababa dito sa T-slot, ipupush niya, ipupull out niya, push out niya,
Eject.
yun yung ejecting, tapos balik na naman ulit, feeding, chambering, locking, firing, unlocking,
Ejecting.
ejecting, yun yung
Cocking.
automatic na yung cocking.
Gusto ko rin.
Nagkakak na yan.
Kulak niya yung ano. Perform a barrel change.
Barrel change. Perform barrel change. Paano tayo magandang yung barrel? I-atras konti yung extension counterclockwise. Tatanggalin yung barrel. Pag-insert ng bagong barrel, again, i-atras konti yung barrel extension clockwise. Pag clockwise, timing and spacing. Minimum of 5 to 7 clicks. Pag fully seated, clockwise, fully seated na, flat na flat, mag-ano ka click na 5 to 7 clicks na counterclockwise. Yun yung spacing. Para at least, anong gamit ng spacing? Para pag lampat siya, tapos puputo,
Hindi mali yung init.
walang sisingawan.
May init.
So may tendency na masisira na yung metal doon dahil sa explosion. Unlike pag may singaw konti, yung pagsabog, kumbaga, hindi kargo agad lahat ng metal. Kasi masisira yung metal. May singaw, importante may singaw. Next.
Demonstrate unloading procedures for the gun.
Unloading procedures. I-set mo as
Manual.
single
Single.
shot. Kahit hindi na. Sa akin hindi ko naman ano. Pero sa inyo, itong condition ng barrel, open mo lang yung cover, kunin mo yung pala, yun na. Unload na, wala nang bala. Yan ka simple. Next.
Perform emergency procedures for the gun. Uncontrolled fire
Runaway gun.
Runaway gun. Ano yun? Yung may cook-off ba dyan? Ayun na yun, uncontrolled gun or runaway gun. Kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy yung putok. Tuloy-tuloy yung putok, dapat continue yung muzzle nasa safe direction or sa target direction.
Palisin.
Tapos,
Palisin tao.
yes, sa misfire pwede din. Palisin yung mga tao. Tapos, putulin yung belt. Kasi runaway gun na yun. Wala tayo, it's either meron ang reason nila is cook off. Putulin mo lang yung belt. Kumbaga, wala nga siya ipuputok. Yun lang, yung natira doon, ipuputok niya lahat. Pagkatapos niya, wala na. Alis ka, 10 minutes. O 50 minutes. Next, runaway gun yun.
Failure to change chamber around.
Failure to chamber around. Ang ginana kami dito, bakit anong problema? Pwede, failure to chamber around. Pwede, merong ruptured case sa loob. Kaya hindi mapasok yung bala sa loob. Pwede ding nagaganyan yung ano yung bala. Yung bala. Yan, more explanation tayo dyan. Pwede nagkakalat kaya hindi na chamber. Pwede may naputol na ruptured case sa loob kaya hindi papasok lahat ng bala. Yun yung reason. Next.
Failure to fire.
Failure to fire.
Ano ba yung misfire?
Hindi siya fully cock or baka yung cam dito, hindi niya yung mechanism na para manunod sa stud or walang firing pin. Di ba pwede? Kapag walang firing pin. O sira yung sear. Maraming tendency. Explain nyo lang.
Misfire.
Misfire. Misfire, misfire, misfire. Yung muzzle sa safe direction o sa target direction, palisin yung mga tao. Tapos, nasa firing condition pa rin yung barrel. I-check mo kung fully forward yung barrel or
Yung
open.
bolt. Yung bolt.
Kapag open, i-rack mo ulit. Rack mo ulit. Pag may natanggal na, may nahulog na empty cartridge, attempt to fire. Pag pumutok,
Immediate action. Successful,
Successful.
Immediate action.
successful. Pag hindi pumutok,
Within
ano mo, kung hot gun or cold gun ba,
3 seconds.
3 seconds para handfire or para huwag mo munang i-open agad
Wait non 3.
para wait for 3 seconds para
Yung back.
hindi ka masabugan baka kasi handfire lang yun. Handfire is the delay ng bala at delay ng putok. Kahit natatamaan siya ng firing pin, delay yung putok ng bala.
Initial action, remedial action.
Yung initial, immediate yun. Ayun na. Yung initial, immediate. Ang remedial action, hindi mo na kaya. Iwanan mo 15 minutes, kunin mo ng bala,
Replace.
turn over to reservicing armory.
Field strip.
Field strip or
Identify the following assemblies.
field strip or ito. Yes, assembly. Ano sige. Atras muna. Una is yung
Pilitin mo.
counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Tapos sila.
Pagka umalis daw, may gagawin pa.
Barrel. Next is
Backplate.
backplate. Siguraduhin na
Hindi ka naman yun.
hindi ito yung buffer sleeve dapat hindi siya naka-activate.
Lahat nakasingle.
Kasi pag nakaganito, yung cam niya
Nakasabit.
naka-oscillate. So hindi siya mahinila pataas kasi kakalat ka.
Nawa mo doon. Itataas yan eh.
Backplate latch lock. Backplate latch. Sabay. Again, huwag mong tanggalin yung backplate latch kapag nakabanat kapag
Spring.
nasa bolt nasa rear. Kasi banat yung drive spring
Driving
rod.
spring rod.
Kinuha natin yung backplate group. Tanggalin natin yung
Driving spring rod. Tatama sa ano.
bolt stud. Itapat sa notch. Tapos kukunin to. Bolt stud. Pwede natin kukunin muna yung bolt. Bolt group. Saka drive spring.
Drive spring rod.
Assembly. Drive spring rod assembly. Saka bolt group is
Operating.
group. Buffer body group, tsaka barrel extension.
Extension.
Buffer body group, barrel extension.
Buffer spring.
Buffer spring,
Buffer body.
accelerator.
Accelerator,
Next.
accelerator pin.
Wala na. Cover group, receiving group, receiver group. Backplate group. Backplate group. Bolt latch, trigger, buffer body sleeve. Backplate latch, backplate latch lock.
Backplate.
Trigger cap. Bolt latch, bolt release cap. Bolt latch, bolt latch, bolt release. Bolt latch, bolt release cap. Trigger cap. Bolt group. Extractor. Patayo yun, tapos. Extractor. Bolt
Bolt
switch.
switch.
Packing lever.
Packing lever pin.
Packing lever. Swing natin palabas ang
Sear. Ano? Accelerator stop.
accelerator stop.
Accelerator stop lock.
Accelerator stop lock.
Sear slide.
Sear slide.
Sear.
Sear.
Sear
Sear
spring.
spring. Firing pin.
Para ping extension.
Ang mangyayari niyan, ipalabas namin lahat yan. Tapos sa grupo nyo, isa-isa. Example, chip. Bolt assembly.
Firing pin extension.
Extension,
Firing pin. Accelerator.
accelerator.
Buffer spring.
First spring.
Buffer body. Bar extension.
Barrel extension group.
Drive spring rod.
Right spring rod assembly.
Back. Clutch. Bolt clutch.
Clutch, bolt release. Bolt clutch, bolt release cam. Buffer, body slip. Buffer slip.
Cover.
Cover group.
Cover lock.
Cover latch. Latch.
Cover latch. Cover latch pala yun.
Bolt stud. Bolt stud. Ay, dito ko lang.
Front side.
Rear
Front
side.
side. Front side. Bolt switch.
Bolt switch.
Extractor.
Tapos na. Natin-set na natin. Assemble. Sear springs here. Sear slide.
Sear slide.
Next is yung
Accelerator.
accelerator stop.
Stop lock.
Accelerator stop lock. Swing. Papasok. Next is yung
Packing lever.
tracking lever. Di ba yung buntis na nandito? Tracking lever.
Tracking lever.
Papasok mo.
Packing lever pin.
Ilagay mo muna. Tracking lever pin.
Bolt.
Bolt switch. Dapat naka-left feed tayo. Left feed. left rib, tapos yung extractor, patayo muna. Bolt group. Bolt group, saan na yung ano ba? Buffer body.
Accelerator.
Rib. Barrel extension. Group. Bago natin ito. Let's combine them. Pasok namin. Paano natin? Ito magluluto. Dapat yung accelerator dapat nakaharap. Ganyan.
Ah. Baba. Pwede pala siya ipasok mo sa muna.
Bolt start.
Bolt stand.
Bolt stud. Dito. Timing nyo sa notch. Notch. Tapos, sabay-sabay silang forward. Next. Driving spring rod. Drive spring rod.
Drive spring.
Ito pala. Wag tayong mag-open. Wala din sa disassembly. Wag nating kunin yung backplate kapag
Wala
banat to. Kapag nasa rear yung bolt. Kung makabanat siya. Kita-kita nyo, doble yung spring. May tendency na matatamaan tayo sa likod. So, dapat naka-forward yung bolt. May butas doon. Yan.
Backplate.
Backplates. Backplate, backplate latch, backplate latch lock. Same sa pagtanggal natin, inaangat natin to, pagpasok, iangat din.
Backplate latch.
Backplate latch lock,
Backplate latch.
backplate latch.